Ms. Williams in the back.
Top of page 25.
Thank you for the help. That's case number 19 CF 1711. We're set for pretrial this morning. Give me one moment. Ms. Williams, good morning. The case was passed from December the 15th so that depositions could be set. There were 3 remaining based on my record. Let me look to you, Mr. Beard. What's the status?
Yes, Judge. Joshua Beard on behalf of Briana Williams. I have 2 days of deposition set. It wasn't 3 specific witnesses. There was like 3 categories of witnesses. I have essentially there's 12 witnesses set on those 2 days, but that in groups of like evidence technicians, every homicide detective in JSO participated in the investigation. So I'm trying to work through all of that information. I did bring a stipulation in order for the DNA bench notes this morning for Your Honor to sign. I forwarded it to your JA, but just in abundance of caution so I could get that information back because there's an expert witness that'll be needing to be deposed.
I see it. My memory is that let me rephrase that. I may have already signed it.
Okay.
But regardless, I'll sign this and give it to the clerk this morning so you'll press on. I appreciate the diligence in scheduling them. What are your scheduled depo dates?
The 25th and 26th of January.
If all those depositions go forward, do you anticipate additional depositions?
I do. There's a few experts that are outside of that, and that is just for the court's awareness on the lifting of each one of these dates. There's 2 civilians, 2 detectives, and a computer detective on one day, and the next day there's 4 detectives, 2 computer detectives, and another.
I understand. I'll go ahead and pass the case until February the 3rd. That's 2, 3, 9 o'clock here in 508. For pretrial, I'll just look to you to tell me when the balance of the depositions are scheduled. We'll start talking about a trial date if there are no pending motions.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll go ahead and sign the order on the provision of the DNA file and bench notes at this time.
Thank you, Judge. And just for the court's awareness, I did provide 3 copies in case that way there's not 3 motions, it's just 1.
I understand. Thank you for the help.
Thank you, Judge. I'll let Ms. Anderson know.
Thank you, Ms. Simak.
Yes, sir.